What factors affect solar panel ROI? Costs and other considerations can impact solar panel return on investment. Let's take a look at installation costs, inspection fees and permits, maintenance and repair costs, as well as sun exposure, weather conditions and panel orientation. Installation costs. The average cost of installing solar panels depends on a few factors, but the average upfront cost of a 5 kW system is about 1.5 million rupees before incentives. These upfront installation costs can affect solar panel ROI because it is the figure that serves as the foundation for your ROI calculation. Inspection fees and permits. You may pay residential roof-mounted inspection fees and permits when getting solar panels installed on a house. These fees can affect solar panel ROI because they go into the overall cost of calculating your ROI. You can look into your county's planning and developmental services. The costs of permits for residential solar systems, such as an electrical permit, structural or building permit and/or a dedicated PV permit. It may add a couple $100 to your overall costs. Maintenance and repair costs. The average costs to maintain or repair a solar system typically cost about 30,000 rupees per year, which involves cleaning and overall maintenance. These costs should factor in order to help you figure out your actual ROI. Sun exposure, weather conditions and panel orientation. Sun exposure, shade, weather conditions and the orientation of solar panels can affect solar system efficiency. The amount of shade in the area can also affect your panel's efficiency. For example, if you have a lot of tall trees surrounding your home, your panels may not be that efficient. The efficiency of your solar system can affect your overall ROI.